Hey guys, welcome back. This video is a 2-year update about a previous video that we did about how my dad saved my dog's life by making a machine I envisioned to help my dog with his ME condition, otherwise known as megaesophagus. If you haven't seen that video, I urge you to see that first. You can click on the info card in the corner. For those that don't know, I'm gonna summarize it quickly. Megaesophagus is an enlargement of the esophagus, a muscular tube connecting the throat to the stomach, with a decrease to absent motility, which is required for moving food and liquid down to the stomach. Some dogs are born with this condition, others, like my dog, acquire it late in life. The main symptom of this condition is regurgitation and vomiting, coughing, extreme hunger, and weight loss. The dog is not able to take food and regurgitates almost every meal. Instead of going into the dog's stomach, the food gets stuck in pockets of the enlarged esophagus, irritating the dog, causing vomiting and coughing. It is most important that dogs with compromised food intake are meeting their daily nutritional requirements. The dog must eat in a standing upright position and must remain standing for 10 to 15 minutes after each meal in order to pass the food to the stomach using only gravity. This requires a lifelong therapy, patience, and commitment from the owner. My dog at the age of 5 started regurgitating all his food and rapidly losing weight over the course of 6 months until he was finally diagnosed. We were desperate. He couldn't even jump over the patio doorstep to go outside, he was so weak. He dropped from 5 kilos to 2 and almost died. Doctors couldn't operate on him because his main arteries were entangled around his esophagus and he almost bled out on the table when they tried. They told us he probably won't live more than a year or 2. But once we started him on our automatic feeder, in 2 months he was back to normal. In 2 years he has literally regurgitated his food only once. That is because this machine feeds him very slowly in an upright position, and he has endless patience and decided he will use his second chance. What can I tell you but that he is a new dog. He is full of energy, totally over all the suffering he went through, and is enjoying every second. His favorite things are playing fetch, going on walks, driving around with me in my car, and even talking to his grandpa over Skype. I'm making this video to show his improvement and how well he's doing after 2 years since we started feeding him with this automatic feeder. Like I said, he gained all his weight in the first 2 months of using it and has remained healthy all this time. I'm enjoying every minute I spend with him, and so does he. He can't eat any solids, but he is totally used to eating the shakes I make him out of various dog foods and water in a blender. He has so much energy, it is unbelievable. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also check out these other cool videos and check out our website. If you want to help support this channel, you can do so on our Patreon page. Links are in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.